Example problem 6 reads, what is the density of an object whose mass is 5 grams and volume is 15 milliliters? The problem tells us that we have 5 grams as a mass and that we have a volume of 15 milliliters. The problem is asking us to calculate the density. The formula for density is density equals mass over volume, where mass is measured in units of grams and volume is measured in units of milliliters. And so we can go ahead and plug in what we know. 5 grams divided by 15 milliliters, and you can put it into your calculator just like that. 5 divided by 15 is going to be a density of 0.33 grams over milliliters. And that grams over milliliters is the appropriate unit for density. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 6.